Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 must be enabled when you try to play the Highguard game. So this fix can be directly done through the BIOS system settings. So here follow the steps. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Scroll down. Click on Advanced Options. Scroll down. Click on Recovery. And beside to Advanced Startup Options, click on Restart Now. Again click on Restart Now to confirm. And after your PC restarts, then choose an option Troubleshoot. So click on Troubleshoot and then go to the Advanced option and hit on it. And then go to the UEFI firmware setting and hit on it. And then click on Restart to restart. And once again your PC will restart. So just wait for it. And then you can access the BIOS settings on your PC. This will look different on different PC. This is my Dell laptop. So click on boot configuration and then scroll down. And here you will see the secure boot option. Enable secure boot. Make sure it is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. And then scroll down and click on apply changes. Click OK to make changes. And then on the left, click on security. And make sure TPM. Now this will look different. In Dell laptop is showing PPI. In some cases it will show TPM 2.0. So make sure to turn it on. If it is off, then turn it on. And then scroll down and then click on apply changes. And then again click on OK to confirm. Now click on exit. Now your PC will restart again. Then open Steam, go to library, click on Highguard and then click on play button. And then your problem will get fixed. So by following these steps, you can easily fix Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 must be enabled while playing the Highguard game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.